Ah, nothing beats a fun trip to the toy store. It's a sale! You know what that means. Charge! Everything's flying off the shelves.
Wow!
Don't worry, Labubus. You'll find a home soon. Okay, maybe another discount's in order. Come on, people. Patches are really in style. Well, guess it's the hard knock life for them. But at least you all get to stay together.
Wow!
Look, maybe someone found you after all. And you're free. No better discount than that. Welcome to your new home, everybody. It's playtime. Try to catch the balloon. But be careful. Don't want it to pop. Oh no! Labubus don't like loud noises. I assume. I mean, they do have big ears. But don't worry. There's more balloons where that came from. In fact, why don't we go all in with a hot air balloon ride? Come on, guys. It's almost time for liftoff. There's plenty of room for all of you. Hold on to your seatbelts, everyone. Hey, Labubus! How's the weather up there? Of course, what goes up must come down. Labubus sure are playful, but they need to burn off some energy. Well then, we'll just have to make something for you. Just take some boxes and stack them up. We're gonna need to carve out some doors. Let's decorate with some fuzzy pom-poms. Because fuzzy is just what Labubus do.
Wow!
This will really help to put a nice face on things. Plus more stickers. And something soft to sit on. And colorful grass straight from the fanciest Easter baskets. You should all rest up before we play. Oh no! One of the Labubus is crying! I think some boo-boo's getting hungry. Why don't we make you a special? You've heard of boba tea? Well, now you can try La Boba! And look, it comes out in all sorts of flavors. Here, we've made enough for each of you. They make for the perfect midnight snack. Speaking of which, I think it's time for bed. Looks like the Labubus are wide awake. They've had their drinks, but now they want breakfast. But before we whip up some treats for you guys, we're gonna need to make something to cook them in. Labubus live for being cute, even if they have some bite. So why don't we make our new craft pretty and pink? And our new oven is almost ready. But now we're gonna need something to bake. Let's mix up the batter. It's a better batter. Trust us, this batter even uses better butter. Slide them into the oven. They're a perfect fit. Wait until these fritters turn golden brown. come on, you know you want to dig your teeth into these. Oh no! It looks like somebody got left behind!
Oh no!
Don't worry, we always make a little extra. Wow, these videos sure are relaxing. Why not take a nap? Besides, someone needs to use the phone. Smile now, the camera loves you. But there's all sorts of fun you can have on a phone. That is, until you get blocked, of course. Ooh, look who's up! And good thing, too. She probably knows the secret passcode. But how about we make you your own phone? Besides, you sure know how to press all our buttons. Now add the screen with a special Labubu touch. It's not just any phone, it's a flip phone. And look, you can even talk with it. If it can shoot and watch videos, we're good to go. Wow, now that's what I call a touch screen. It's just a wonder what modern technology can do. This Labubu has got some high ambitions. So that means it's time to start climbing. Uh-oh, have you been hanging out with cats again? This Labubu's on a rebellious phase, and it's catching. You know that saying about jumping off cliffs? Let's keep them from putting it into practice. No matter how hard they try, you're a hero. Let's keep you safe and sound, and on the ground. Besides, there's plenty of fun to be found down here. Take a box and give it a splash of color. Now grab a plastic bag and blow it up with air. Don't worry, you guys will be catching some air pretty soon. Come on, everybody. Every Labubu can have a turn. See? That was fun. And a lot safer, too.
Wow!
Of course, there's a bit of a height requirement. Sorry, you're a little too, well, little for this. Aw, don't cry. There's some good things about being small. And you're the right size for this lollipop. Hey, you dropped something. And that something is chocolate. Well, at least you brought enough for the whole class. But just look at you! Oh, you're all a mess! Still, I'm sure we can draw up a solution. We'll start with a cute little Labubu face. And stuff it up with some leftover Easter grass. Add a dispenser on top. It's our special Labubu soap. Yes, these Labubus bathe in fake grass. It's just like chinchillas and dust. And soon, you'll be Labubu beautiful once again. Uh-oh, I think you forgot someone. Soon you're gonna be nice and clean again. Sort of. This Labubu's got that mischievous look on their face. Again. It's a cup, but it's empty. Or not full. But we can fix that with our next craft. Ah, cardboard boxes. What can't they do? Just add a straw and a stick on the side to keep it secure. And soon enough, our brand new juice machine is ready. Now all we need is some of your favorite fruit.
Yes!
We should probably take off that brown peel. But juice also comes in all sorts of flavors. Like a sour green apple. Or some fresh watermelon. Okay, get that cup ready. Now press the button. Yes, Labubu juice is confetti, as previously explained. Now let's whip up some apple juice. And remember everyone, it's important to stay hydrated. Looks like the littlest Labubu wants libations too.
Aw.
And someone's in the mood for fruit punch. After all, variety is the spice of life. Uh-oh, careful where you step around here. Just be grateful you were wearing socks. Okay, these guys really need a litter box. Better yet, why don't we potty train them? Okay, it seems complicated, so let's start with a game. We'll need a 2D potty with a 3D lid. Don't forget to make a hole in the middle. Next up, make a bunch of cards with all sorts of things on top. Come on over, just pick what could use a good flush. Hold on, keys don't go down the potty. Yeah, that's a much better choice.
Yay!
What else? Okay, how about you guys pick what's next? Do kitty cats go down the potty? No, and real cats probably wouldn't let you. Some say let yellow mellow, but I say down it goes. And that's not the only thing going down. Now, do you want to put your new skills to practice? It looks like we've already got our first customer. Aw, days like this make us proud. But maybe close that lid. Labubus for sale. Who wants a Labubu? It comes in $150 and free. Let's give the free one a good home. Welcome home. You know, you can use a bath. Don't forget to brush all those pointy teeth. Soon you'll be a whole new Labuyu. Seriously. You're a regular pooch Pinocchio. And you've even got a new bed. Mia. Either she doesn't like that name, or she needs a new bed. Let's start with some doggy extensions. But this pup could sure use a new coat of paint. Why, you're a regular dog Ross. Now let's make this bed a little more comfortable. Wait a second. How is Mia gonna get in the bed? She's got an idea. To the bathroom. Just knew keeping cereal in here was a good idea. Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Besides, we can use the box. You got the toy out first, right? Well, take a bunch and cover them with colored tape. Stack them up, and soon Mia will be over the rainbow. Come on, Mia, step right on in.